In this video, we are going to demonstrate operation of the Vulcan VACB and VCCB gas charbroilers. Both the VACB and VCCB charbroilers come standard with manual standing pilots. For manual pilot lighting, use an outside ignition source to light the pilot through the pilot access hole in the front panel. The end of the ignition source must be at least 7 inches long to reach the pilot. To light the burners, turn the individual burners on to the max setting. Preheat the charbroiler for 30 minutes before cooking. The VACB and VCCB cooking grates are constructed from heavy-duty cast iron. We recommend seasoning the cooking surface with a light coat of oil before the first use and after every cleaning. While cooking, it is important to refrain from overloading your charbroiler. Use it to capacity and ensure your cooking area is properly ventilated. Throughout service, clean the charbroiler cooking grates regularly by scraping top grates with a wire brush. Do not allow debris to accumulate on the grates. To shut off the charbroiler at the end of service, turn all burners to the off position. Allow the charbroiler to cool down completely. Remove top grates to clean places where fat, grease, or food can accumulate. Deflector trays and crumb trays should be emptied and cleaned regularly when the charbroiler is cool. Clean stainless steel surfaces using a damp cloth with mild detergent and water. For more information, refer to the VACB and VCCB operation manuals on the Vulcan website.